You're not broken, so there's nothing for you to fix. You're going to find your manifestations materializing so much more quickly when you stop looking backwards and trying to figure out why you are stuck. The fact is that you're not stuck. It's just an idea that you have in your head. And we've been taught, haven't we? We've been taught that we have to go and unroot every little thing about us that is preventing us from moving forwards. But you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that because you're not actually stuck. You just think you are stuck. And it's that belief in the stuckness that is keeping you stuck. It's a cruel trick of reality creation, right? We materialize what we believe to be true about us. So if we believe ourselves to be stuck, we find more stuckness. If we believe ourselves to be wealthy, we find more wealth. And if we believe that there is nobody in the world better at doing our jobs than we are, then you better be sure that we're going to get that job. If we truly believe that we are the best solution for our clients, you better be sure we're going to get those clients because that's the nature of the universe. It's only your beliefs that are stopping you from moving forwards. But you don't need to go and dig them out, ever. Not ever, never. So really the only thing that you need to do is to know who you are and know what you want. And often it comes the other way around, right? So we get this idea of the life that we want. We want wealth, we want comfort, we want support, we want all of these things, right? And then we get to work out, okay, well, who is the version of me that gets to have those things? Then you manifest the version of you that gets them. If you had the amount of money in your bank that you're choosing to have, how would you be experiencing life? What would you believe to be true about you? You would believe that you are abundant. Yeah? You would believe that you can afford everything that you ever wanted. So cultivate that belief within you because we live in an inside-out world. We live in an inside-out universe, an inside-out reality. The reality that you're experiencing is not the same reality that anybody else on the planet is experiencing. Your reality is yours and yours alone. And luckily, the world is really showing that to be true for us, right? With all the discourse in like America in particular, with MAGA and the Democrats, right? You could get these two groups of people in the same room and understand that they see reality completely differently. They live on the same planet, they live in the same country, sometimes they live in the same city, yet their reality is completely and utterly separate. And the thing is, both groups of people are having their two separate versions of reality validated, right? They are finding evidence in the 3D reality world to support their belief system. That's the way it works. Always. You believe a certain thing and then reality shows it back to you because reality is a reflection of you. I think it's Neville that says if you want the mirror to smile, you have to smile first. Yes. So it doesn't matter what anybody else's version of reality is. That's not your story. That's not the world that you live in. They live in a different world than you. Just like a MAGA supporter and a Democrat live in completely different worlds with completely different set of beliefs, a completely different set of truths. There is nobody that sees reality in the way that you do. Nobody. And that's fine. They don't need to. They're living their own lives. They're having their own human experience. But you get to define your own. So what do you want from life? Who gets to have that life? If you only focus on that, then you're always heading in the right direction. Yeah. So many of my clients who are typically 6 and 7 figure business owners, entrepreneurs and leaders in their field, I'm talking like global heads of department and Emmy award winning journalists and people like that, right? They come to me and they want to move forwards, but they're feeling held back. And the thing that is mostly holding them back is this story that they are attached to, this version of them that they no longer wish to identify with, but for some reason they just keep going, oh, but this happened, oh, but that happened. That doesn't matter. Anything that's happened until now is irrelevant to you, darling. You don't need to pay it any attention. So one of the first things we do when we work together is like, okay, stop looking backwards, just keep looking forwards. Everything that's happened in your past that really, really is a block to helping you move forwards materializes, right? It brings itself to the surface. You never need to go digging for it. You never need to understand why you are stuck. You get to appreciate the fact that you are stuck, but you don't need to know how you got there, right? That's like the boringest bit of the story. The most interesting bit is how you move from where you are to where you want to be. Oh, speaking of that, if you are a member of my membership, then that is the subject of today's exclusive workshop. If you're not a member and you're seeing this before 11 a.m. on Saturday the 18th, then get a membership. You'll find the join button down there somewhere. And then the link to join us on the Google Meet call is in the channel. You don't need to worry about what's come before. What's come before is dead and gone and over and done with. You never need to revisit it unless it keeps showing itself, right? So you don't go digging for it because it'll reveal itself. And as it reveals itself, then you get to look at it and say, oh, okay, well, yeah, that isn't me. That's not who I choose to be. So I don't need to pay it any attention. That's no longer relevant to me. That's an old story. That's the 6-year-old keeping me safe. That's my little egoic I, my little egoic self just trying to find relevance. But that's not who I am now. And when you do this exercise of really writing out everything that you want from life and who you are, who you get to be to get that life, when you do that exercise and you read it every day, you read this description of this incredible version of you, then when the contradictory thoughts come up, you get a sense of cognitive dissonance because it really doesn't belong to you. You understand that those thoughts are not you in the slightest. Yeah? You just don't pay them any attention because it's as if a madman has told you them. So don't go looking. Don't go looking for hidden beliefs. You don't need to find them. Don't go looking for why you are stuck, for what brought you to this situation. You don't need to find them because they'll reveal themselves. So the exercise, if you want an exercise to do, write out who you get to be to live the life that you want to live. Yeah? And then be that version of you. Be that version. And sometimes that can take you can really go to town with it, yeah? You can really, really play hard at being that version of you. So I mentioned in a previous video, one of the things that I really love to do is connect smells, connect scents to particular ways of feeling, particular ways of being. In the last video, I mentioned perfume and shower gels and things like that. So buy a perfume or a shower gel that just smells like the version of you would smell. Like, let it smell like luxury, whatever luxury means to you, right? So as an example, when we moved from the UK to Canada, it was COVID times, we had to stay in a hotel for a few weeks, just to be, quarantined, it was part of quarantine. And they had the most exquisite shower gel. So one of the things that I've done really recently is order shower gel from the hotel because it just brings me back to that, yes, life is excellent, life is perfect, life is exactly as I want to be, yeah? This is who I get to be right now. I get to just shower in this luxurious scent, yeah? And maybe that's not your thing. Maybe perfume is more your thing. You can go, if you can't afford, if you think you can't afford to buy, like bottles of perfume, you can go and get samples, right? So just for a day, I challenge you to be the you that you choose to be. Wear the clothes, go to the places, drink the coffee. Yeah. If you can't stay in a hotel, yeah, just go and sit in the bar for a bit. Go and sit in the coffee lounge. Yeah. Just soak up the vibe of the life that you choose to have. You'll be amazed at how quickly things turn around when you truly embody the you that you choose to be. It's really, really helpful to have that somebody, whether that's me or another coach, just catching your thoughts, reminding you of who you are, right? This is honestly invaluable. I cannot tell you how invaluable having that extra pair of eyes on you, on your life, on your thought processes is. It is life-changing, 100%. So obviously this is the work that I do with my private clients who are feeling stuck and know that there is so much more out there that is available for them. Yeah, we all want to reach our potential, and often having a coach helps with that. But if you're not in a situation, or if I don't have availability to work with me privately in a one-to-one setting, then there are various other ways of working with me, and one of those is the membership group. And of course, there's all the free content that I put out on YouTube too. So from now on, I'm going to be releasing Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Yeah, I'm going to be releasing videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I was quite aware that when people open memberships, people often think that their free stuff, like the public stuff, often goes downhill. And I really don't want that to happen. I really appreciate you being here. So so as kind of a countermeasure, just in case, I've added an extra day for you. So now you have 3 days of me getting in your ear saying, who are you? Who are you? Who are you believing yourself to be? Because that's the only important thing. So decide that you are somebody awesome, and then be your awesome self. All right, my loves, there's going to be another video there, so click on that one next, and I'll see you either in the membership, on a call, the link to join both is down below, or in my next video. See you soon. Bye.